everybody, I'm Janet from Janet's Planet. I am inviting you to get your hands on science. We're going to build our own catapult, which is basically just a simple machine called a lever. All right, maybe you've experienced a lever on the playground, like a teeter-totter or a seesaw.
We'll make a friend and play pretend. It's awesome at the playground.
So you're already familiar with this very simple machine. Now, to make our catapult, we're going to need a couple of things. We're going to need a spoon, and we're going to use this spoon to be our lever arm. All right, you see that little bucket? That's where we'll put our load. And next, we're going to need a stack of popsicle sticks. This stack of sticks is our fulcrum, all right? And see what happens if I move my lever arm closer to that fulcrum. Whoa, what do you think would happen? Do you think that marshmallow could go even further when my lever arm is closer to the fulcrum? Maybe it won't go as far if I move that lever arm away from the fulcrum. Oh, these are good science things to think about. And next we're going to need some rubber bands and some mini marshmallows and our very own finger to be the effort behind our catapult. Let's get started. Now, the first thing we're going to do is make our fulcrum, which is that stack of sticks in the middle. For that, we're going to need 7 popsicle sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so next what I want you to do is, I kind of like to just get them all even, stack them up like that, or maybe even stack them up like I'm building maybe a wall or something like that. And then when I have my stack all ready to go, I'm going to take one of my rubber bands and I'm going to take it to the end and just wrap it around and around and around and around. Now, if this is too difficult, please ask your grown-up to help you. All right, so once we have that done, then I want you to fan out your sticks. And in particularly, we're going to take one more popsicle stick and slide it in between that first and second popsicle stick of our fulcrum. Then we're going to put all of those, we're going to fan them back, put them all back together, stacked up like we had them. Take another rubber band and again go around and around and around. Again, please have a grown-up help you if you just find that this is a bit hard. But I bet you can do it. Now, next, we're going to say that this right here is our bottom, and we're going to move this popsicle stick to the middle of our fulcrum there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our spoon and we're going to go end to end with that popsicle stick. Take a rubber band and again just wrap it around there again and again until it's as tight as can be. So let's review again the parts of a catapult. We have our lever arm, we have the fulcrum, that's the stacked sticks right here, that's our fulcrum, and this right here, when we put it into the bucket of our lever arm, that's our load, and then when we pull back with our finger, that is our effort. We're going to let it go. Look at there, and there you just made your very own catapult. When we pull back on it, when we use our finger like this, that's what we call effort. Now, before we release it, you know what we call it? Potential energy. But when we release it, it turns potential energy into kinetic energy. Isn't that exciting? It goes from, well, maybe I could, do some work today to, oh, I just moved your marshmallow. You give it a try and then see if you can master the art of getting your marshmallow into the cup. I'm going to have to move my lever arm a little bit away from my fulcrum. Oh, that didn't go very far. Oh, looks like I got a little practicing to do. Oh, almost made it. Now you go have fun with your simple machine, a lever, your very own catapult.